was like that he doesn't have the facilities that in the house, that if it was on the outside, that he would have brought her down.
What those facilities, man?
He said something about all it takes was for him to get one of his guys, get the G-Wagon and all of that stuff that people said in wagon. No, but say inside this house, say get all those working tools that I should put pressure that he doesn't really understand also as a
Prince exposed Neo, reveals Neo wanted to toast Nengi. Hi guys and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Please, if it's the first time of viewing, don't fail to subscribe and also hit on the notification bell to get new info whenever a new video drops. The recent episode of this year's BBnaija reunion show saw Prince exposing Neo. According to Prince, Neo gave him some tips on how to win the heart of Nengi with the needed resources. Prince spoke about how Neo detailed how if they were outside, he would have gone for expensive cars to win the heart of Nengi during the show. Prince sounded that Neo liked Nengi too and would have liked to have her. He also insinuated that Neo chose to give him the advice instead of giving it to his best friend Ozo. According to Prince, Neo said he didn't understand Ozo and he wouldn't be happy if no one got Nengi down before leaving the show. In his defense, Neo admitted that he liked Nengi, but that was it, and it's nothing like he chose to advise Prince on how to get Nengi instead of giving his guy the tips. He made it known that he said what he said openly, and Ozo was also present as at the time. I think this year's BBnaija reunion will be the best ever, as this housemates just keep leaking secrets anyhow. Neo never hid the fact that he likes Nengi. He always said that he likes Nengi, but obviously he didn't pursue his love interest in Nengi as he was already with V. So Prince coming out to tell us this about Neo is something else entirely. Guys, what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if it's the first time of viewing, don't fail to subscribe, hit on the notification bell to get new info whenever a video drops. Thanks guys, and stay safe.